Hi, my name's Johnny and I'm a Channel Sales Manager here at Webfleet Solutions. Today I wanted to walk you through a new initiative we're rolling out in Australia called Safer Fleets, which is designed to help fleet operators track and trace their drivers, especially if they've been in a COVID-19 hotspot area. The beauty of this is that we haven't had to create a new product. Our existing Webfleet platform has the functionality built in already, and there are two main features that the system has to offer. Number one, you can receive an audio and visual alert to let you know when a driver has entered a COVID-19 hotspot area, simply by creating a geofence and a parameter of a known hotspot zone. Number two, it also gives fleet operators the ability to retrospectively look back and check and see if a driver has entered a known hotspot zone at a specific date and time. What this means is that operators can make informed decisions and provide recommendations to drivers as they see fit, whether that be sanitize, wear a mask, stay in your vehicle, or retrospectively even to go and get tested. The other great thing is that in New South Wales the government publishes a daily list of postcodes, and we're trialling a pilot where we will automate the process and you won't have to input the data manually. In other states you will have to do this, but it's a very simple process. Let me show you how. For setting up live alerts, there are 9 simple steps. Step 1. Select areas from the menu bar. Step 2. Down at the bottom, if you select New Area. Step 3. On the right hand side, click the search icon and type in the specific address or location that you need. Step 4. You can create the area or geofence by drawing a circle and moving it until the radius covers the necessary area, or alternatively, you can draw a polygon area to make the geofence as specific as required. Step 5. Give the area a number and name. Step 6. Select the schedule of the alert, whether to receive alerts during a set time frame, like working hours or all of the time, but you can also set up multiple days and time periods for the same area. Step 7. Select if you want the alert set for entering an area, leaving an area, or both. Step 8. Select which vehicle or group of vehicles that this is applicable to. Step 9. Click Save and the area is now set up and now active in your account. For the retrospective look at drivers having entered hotspots, there are 3 simple steps. Step 1. On the main screen after logging in, on the right hand side, select the vehicle finder icon. Step 2. Enter the location or postcode in the search bar and select the location when it pops up. Step 3. Select the date and time that you want to search, as well as the size of the area you require. If one or more of your vehicles has entered that area at the specified time, you will see a list pop up of which vehicle was in the area and you can act accordingly. You will also see a trace view within the circle showing the exact time that they were there. If they've parked the vehicle within that zone, you will see a small P icon, and if you hover over it, you will see how long they were parked there for. Hopefully this initiative provides some extra value to our customers and goes a little way to keeping our drivers safe on the road. For more information, please click on the link below.